Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here then welcome. My name's Charlotte and I do 2 videos a week. One of those is a food haul and meal plan on a Sunday, and then the other one could be something like this, so some cleaning motivation or something to do with mum life because I'm a mummy of 2. But yeah, anyway, this video is a clean with me. I'm going to be cleaning and organising my fridge and freezers. So yeah, if you need some motivation then keep watching and I hope you enjoy it.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into.
Okay, so I'm going to start off with organising my freezers. I've got one attached to the fridge and then this chest one in the cupboard. As you saw, they are all jumbled up. There's no order to it at all. Everything was just shoved in so that it would fit. So what I'm doing is taking everything out and checking all the dates, and I'm going to organise it so I know where everything is.
So wait till the dawn.
So in the bottom of the chest freezer, I'm going to put this cooling pad and just some party food, because those aren't things we're going to need very often. So I thought I would put them in the bottom because it's quite tricky to get in the bottom. I've also got these breast milk pouches. Obviously you can see from the date 2018. I can't use them, but I just can't bring myself to throw them in the bin, so they're going in the bottom. Okay, and then in the next layer of the chest freezer, I've just got all the vegetables together, and I'm also going to pop the Yorkshire puddings in there because I couldn't fit them in the other freezer. And then in the top, I've just got some other cooling pads and one for my husband's knee because he does need that sometimes. And then ice lollies and ice cubes. In the second freezer, I've just got chips and potatoes and rice in the top, and then the meat in the second drawer, and then it's just frozen fruit and some bread in the bottom drawer.
Try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me break it.
As you can see, I haven't cleaned my fridge in so long, it is really disgusting. So first I just took out all of the shelves, and I'm using my Dishmatic filled with washing up liquid to give everything a clean.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial.
Okay, so then after I used my Dishmatic, I sprayed some white vinegar and I'm using a microfiber cloth. I also did get some cotton buds to clean all the little gaps that you can't really get into, and it was really gross in there. Yeah, and now I'm just scraping off the ice at the back and giving that a clean with a microfiber cloth.
Have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too.
So now I am going to clean all of the drawers and the shelves just with my Dishmatic again. and then I'll give them all a wipe over with some white vinegar and a microfiber cloth afterwards.
You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill, right?
So I'm using cotton buds again. As you can see, there is a lot of horrible stuff in the gaps there, and nothing else would fit in there, so the cotton buds are really useful to get those bits clean.
And I said, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it.
Okay, I'm gonna try and clean this thing. I don't really know how you're meant to clean it, so I'm just gonna give this horrible thing a wash. And I've got a cotton bud, which I sprayed some white vinegar on, and I'm just gonna, I don't know, move it around in here.
Trust that, have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not, says who?
Okay, so now the fridge is all nice and clean. You look up here, like, before it was all, dirty and crummy. Now it's all nice and clean. And I wiped the shelves over with some white vinegar as well. So they're all nice and clean. The drawer is nice and clean. Then I put that thing back in. Still don't really even know what that is. But anyway. And then I used the cotton bud in there as well because that was all dirty. So yeah, nice and clean. And now I just need to put the food back in.
Gone down, and I said, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it.
Okay, so that is all done now. I organised the stuff on top a bit better and the fridge magnets. We're missing some of the alphabet here, but I'll find them, I'm sure. So yeah, all the food is back in and it's just a bit more neat and tidy and it's all nice and clean. So yeah, I'm really pleased with that. Okay, so I'm so happy that is all done. I left it for far too long. I think it's just one of those jobs that you do leave for ages because you don't often look in the fridge for long. You just get what you need and go, don't you? So, but yeah, anyway, thank you for watching this. I hope that you enjoyed it and it motivated you to get some cleaning done. And yeah, I'll see you really soon in my next video. Bye.